This is Hannibal here. Janelle Grant's publicity company that represents her put out a statement from her lawyer today saying, I guess, everything is still ongoing with their allegations. Brock Lesnar was, of course, named in those allegations. But this has been going on a long time, and where we're at right now is the judge has to make a ruling on if it's going to go to arbitration or if it's going to go to a lawsuit. This whole situation, I mean, she's claiming all this stuff that happened. She never called the police at the time. She ended up filing a lawsuit. And by the way, she was living with her fiance at the time all this was going on in one of these very fancy apartments in the same building that Vince McMahon lived in. So she's not a dumb person, but she's again trying to get in the news here because Brock Lesnar appeared on SummerSlam. So what's going to happen from here is at some point a judge is going to say this is still going to go to arbitration as any issues out of the settlement is supposed to, or grants going to be granted an actual legal trial. But part of this settlement agreement, because she had settled for, I believe it was $3 million or something, was she had to keep her mouth shut. And she didn't keep her mouth shut, so Vince stopped paying her. I believe he only paid her about $1 million out of the $3 million. And then any discrepancy or any issues out of this settlement was supposed to be taken up in arbitration rather than going to court, because it was all supposed to be confidential, and she went public with it and went to court. So it's going to be decided on at some point. It's pathetic what kind of a publicity hound this Janelle Grant is. In other news, apparently Nikki Bella had a displaced breast implant stemming from her match last Monday night on Raw. That might have been one of the reasons. Like, she was at SummerSlam, apparently, along with Brie. They were at the building, but they didn't have a match. That may have been one of the contributing factors to it. Who knows? The Evolve pay-per-view, it's not like she had a 5-star match on that or anything. Overall, from the reports I got, there was a lot of botches on that Evolve all-women's pay-per-view, and it's unknown if there's going to be another one or not.